So good day po to my fellow or my co-formators from MCNP ISAP. And for today, we are going to have a short video tutorial po sa pag-set up ng courses, especially for those who are going to create a course for the first time or for those who have forgotten or sometimes forget on how to create or set up a course. So first, we need to access our LMS through our username and our password. So the first page that we are going to have is the dashboard. Okay. Um, from the dashboard, if you're already a registered course creator or teacher, you'll have this extra icon on your page or in your dashboard which says create a course. So access that, click lang po, and then this is the general settings. Okay, maximize lang natin. General settings for your course, and so by adding a course. So for this tutorial, I'll be using one of my subjects po sa semester na to. Strategies of teaching in health education. Okay. So then assign a course short name. Okay. So we observed that usually the system, even though even though you have the same subject or course, it still requires some differences. Like if you have the same subject with two classes, like example lang, you have health education for 1A and 1B, ayaw niyang same ang code, dapat may konting difference po. Okay, so for example, dito po, I'll be using strat mid 2. So ayan, course short name ko for this subject. Then based on our system, your category, since it's either MCNP, ISAP courses, so hanapin lang po natin yan. Naka-indicate naman yung school and the course. So dito, midwifery is under the 2-year courses. So click lang natin yan. Then, actually, almost all of this is depending on the teacher po, yung choice ng teacher yung settings. So dito, if you want to make your course visible na po, pwede, or hide it for a while, pwede rin po. Course start date, so kailan mag-start yung course mo, yung semester usually, or official classes. And usually, the system require you, the start of the date of your course will be the date of creation, or at least, yun nga po, at least the day of creation, or 1 day after the date of creation. So, halimbawa ngayon, so this is September 13 ngayon, or bukas, upon this creation. And so at least a day after the creation. And September 13, 2020, then course end date. Halimbawa po, next year, January, depende later sa ating schedule. And so, ayan, palitan ko muna to. January 31, 2021. So, depende na sa'yo kung enable mo yan o hindi rin po. If you want to put time, exact time, pwede rin po. Then, course ID number, you can place here your course code. Pero again, if you have several classes, you cannot use the same course code as your course ID number. So, lagyan mo lang ng difference. For example, lagyan mo lang yung section mo. Okay? So, halimbawa lang po ito. So, maybe I'll use strat HE mid 2. Yan. So, to ensure na wala siyang kapareho. And tapos dito, you can use sa may description part, you can type your description or summary of the course. What I observed was most of us place here the course description mismo, but you can also type or place anything that summarizes your course. What I chose is to encode or type the name of my subject and the schedule. Okay, and pwede rin po ilagay dito other details. Okay, so later as we go along with this video tutorial. Then course image, you just this image is a picture or an image that you can place as an icon of your course later on sa dashboard mo, sa dashboard ng mga students, or yung magiging background or kumbaga sa sa ibang media, it will be your wallpaper. And so halimbawa lagyan natin ng picture. And then my file picker, you just have to browse where you save the picture you want to place. And so upload the file and click choose file. Then halimbawa, ang gusto kong ilagay is to for my icon. Click open. Then click upload file. And so, andyan na yan. Just remember that the file format for pictures, for images, dapat it supports the accepted file types, which is GIF, JPEG, or PNG files lang po. Other than that, hindi ma-upload po yung picture. And then, let's set up the course further. And then, format natin is either topic, or social format, single activity format, or weekly format. So usually sa atin, based on the course outline, we choose topics format. And then number of sections or ito yung partitions or divisions ng inyong course. Again, it depends on you as a teacher. You can select several, more than, or less than 4 topics, but the default is 4 sections. So halimbawa, pwede lang naman ipapakita mo muna kaya ang i-upload mo. Sige, lagyan na muna natin 4. Then, hidden sections, it's up to you again if you want to hide them. Tapos collapse form kapag in-access or completely invisible. So, it depends on you as a teacher again. And course layout, yung pagkahati-hati mo dito sa number of sections, anong gusto mong presentation dun sa page. Is it one section, one topic per page, or pakita na lahat? Okay? So usually sa akin, pinapakita ko na lahat in one page lang po. So next is appearance. And sa appearance, halos lahat naman dito default na ang pinipili natin. English naman to, so no restrictions for that. The number of announcements, pwedeng mas mataas pa sa 5 or more than. So, depende po. So, halimbawa, dyan muna tayo sa default na 5. Show gradebook to students. Again, it depends on the teacher. So, kung gusto mo ma-access ng student, well, your gradebook kasi is similar to your record. Magkakaroon din po tayo ng short video tutorial later on for the gradebook, for setting up your gradebook. So, for example, ayaw mo muna makita nila yung record mo. You can choose no activity reports. It's up to you as a teacher. If you want to track the progress, to show the activity reports to the student, to you as a teacher, just click usually yes. And so, in files and uploads, ito ang hiningi lang naman dito kung ano yung limit ng memory. Is it memory? Or yung bigat ng isang data or file. It can be a sound clip, it can be a video, it can be a picture. Usually, yan naman yung common na pwede nating i-upload. Okay? So, the highest in our system is 5 MB. So, ibig sabihin po, dapat hindi lalagpas ng 5 MB para successful na ma-upload yung iyong video or audio file or picture. Okay? So, ipaprompt naman kayo or ma-notify naman kayo ng system kapag hindi po pwede siyang i-upload. Okay? Pag more than 5 MB. Then completion tracking. mapapansin nyo to later. So, enable condition tracking, yes po. So, parang ito yung pag-monitor mo ng progress mo kung saan ka na ba, lalo na sa part ng student. Okay? Then groups, it depends later on. Maybe during the progression of the course. Ito yung paggrupo mo sa estudyante. Okay, later you can access this one. Maybe we'll have a short video tutorial also for grouping. Lalo na pag gusto mo may group work ka, may group assignment or requirement. So, or quiz, depende po sa inyo. And sa groups, yan po yun. Then role naming, just like putting up a synonym or an exchange word with this quoted mga terms dito like teacher, pwede mo lagay educator, student, learner, or any other role names. And so kung okay na po tayo, just click save and display. Yan. So since I'm a manager, ito po yung next na nagpapakita yung participants. Participants are your students, are your enrollees dun sa course mo. So I think I have already a video for this. Lalo na dun sa part ng manual enrollment and self-enrollment. So you can check it out yung isa pong video natin. So for the sake of this video na setting up of the course, I'll proceed to the course content. Yan. So yun na po yung unang magpapakita sa ating course page. So this would be our course page. Ngayon, halimbawa, yan, tama naman yung natin, mga sinetat natin for topics. Tapos may announcement. And ito lang usually nagpapakita sa umpisa po. So halimbawa lang dun sa course setting, may nakalimutan ka. Halimbawa gusto mong palitan yung picture, kagaya nung sinabi ko kanina, this would be your background, kanya hindi mo siya gusto, pwede mo palitan yan. Or gusto mo dun sa course details mo, dagdagan mo. Like, okay, para mas madali siyang hanapin, lagyan ko ng section niya. Palalagyan mo ng picture mo as a teacher, pwede rin po yun. So, ang gawin mo lang is, dito sa taas, navigate this tree, on this area of your course page. Then, merong course management icon or button. We have, I think this is a site administration button and the turn edit on button. Okay? So, dito tayo sa una po, sa course management. So, click natin to. May lalabas na panel, which bears activities, question bank, badges, course settings, and user links. So, para ma-access ulit natin yung settings, dito tayo sa my course settings. Then, click po Edit Course Settings. Ayan. So, ito yung setup page natin kanina. Okay? Settings page natin kanina. So, halimbawa, gusto mo maglagay ng picture mo, just click this one. Tapos, may lalabas ulit na mga path, kung saan nakasave yung pictures, hanapin mo. As click mo lang dun yung open, then, or upload, later on, then save image para makita din dito. Then, or halimbawa, para madali kang mahanap ng estudyante, usually, di ba, aside from the title of the subject, the name, the schedule of the subject, nilalagay din yung name ng teacher. So, halimbawa, pwede mo ilagay yung pangalan mo dito as a teacher para mas madali mahanap ng estudyante sa mga naka-enroll na to kung magsa-self-enrollment ka. Okay? Mas pwede mo rin siyang i-format to a bold one. Yan po. Yan. So, halimbawa yung changes. So, you can you can still edit your settings once you have already uploaded. Pag may nakalimutan ka, may gusto kang palitan, just go to course management. Then, save and display. Click lang yan. And so, speaking of enrollment, shout out po to our registrar, si Ma'am Nessie. And so, ano ba ang magiging itsura nito kapag hinanap halimbawa ng iyong estudyante yung course mo, or kapag ikaw halimbawa hinanap mo yung course mo. And so, let's try look at your course. So, punta ka lang sa MCNP. Then sa to your courses. Ito yun, subject na yun. And click lang natin itong summary icon dito. Refresh ko lang. So ito yung makikita ng estudyante pag hinanap. Okay, strategies in teaching of education. Okay, so yan po yung pag-set up natin ng course po. Okay, so thank you so much for watching again.